G'day everyone. This is going to be our first lesson about spreadsheets, and I'm going to try and sort of break it up a little bit into the things that we necessarily need for IPT. So here we go. First thing is we've got to open Excel, and I'm just going to start with a blank spreadsheet, just sort of get your head around what this actually is. I'll just pick this up a little bit. Now what we have here, what I like to call Excel or a spreadsheet, is it's kind of like a massive calculator on steroids. There's no other real way to describe it. So what we have here is a worksheet, and our worksheet's called sheet 1, and we can add more worksheets and we can do all sorts of stuff. We have what's called cells, and as you can see, I'm clicking on different types of cells. Now the cells are labeled based on where they are located. For example, this is what's known as the columns, and they're labeled A, B, C, D all the way along. And if I go like massively along, we can see that once it gets to Z, it goes AA, AB, and then of course it goes BA and CA. Huge amounts of data can be stored on these. So then we have the rows, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and when you put them together, you then have what's known as a cell address. So the one that I'm clicking on here is column B and row 4. And over here you can see that in the name box, that is its name is B4. Now we can do all sorts of really cool things with these, and each of them represents certain things. For example, let's say I wanted to do the days of the week. So I have day Monday, and if I want to go across here, I can go like that, and you can see that I go Monday, Tuesday. Let's just do the week. So we'll just go like that. And you can see that my Wednesday is too small, so I can double click on that, make it a little bit bigger. Maybe my Friday is too big, so I can double click on that, and I can do it to all of them if I want, or I can say, oh no, you know what, I'd like them all the same size, and I can change them by doing, column width. And I can say, all right, let's make it 25 pixels, and we go, oh, that's massive. So we go, no, and like that, let's go 10, and we go, oh no, that's perfect. And then we can go, all right, let's put them in the middle, and yay, we've got a day of the week calendar thing. And even if I wanted to, I could say, all right, today's the 22nd, it's a Thursday, 22nd of the 6th, and we go 2017, yep, that's right. And I can do things like, say I want to do this, go across, and I can say, all right, what do I want to do with that? Well, I want to fill the series just with the days, or just fill the series with the weekdays. If I go along like this, like that. Oh, here's another thing. These are hashtags, and I'm not taking a selfie and hashtag selfie or anything like that. But this means that the cell is too small to display what I want to do. So if I just double click on there, it will expand that. So that one's too small. You can double click on that, and so on and so. Whoa, I missed that one. Let's do that one. And then you can see, if I go back here, you can see those dates have changed a little bit. So they're a little bit different as well. So that's pretty cool, the things that you can actually do as far as changing dates and things like that. See how it's done that? It's gone, 22nd, 23rd, Saturday. That should be, no, that's wrong. But anyway, that's one of the things that you can actually do. That's Monday. So if we go, Monday, here we go. And then obviously next week is Tuesday, and so on and so forth. So that's something that we're really going to look at. We can also do this. We can number things down, and we go 1, 2. And what we do is we highlight both of them, and then see if I highlight one of them, and I get this little, I call it the sniper crosshair. If I drag that down, it's just going to go 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. But if I do this, 1, 2, and I highlight those, then it goes down like that, and it goes, there we go, like that. So that's something we're going to look at as well. We can do other things, like I can say, I won't show you that. I was going to talk about functions, but we're going to do other things like we do cell addressing to do formulas. So if we say, okay, I'm going to have a number 1 in there, I'm going to have a number 2 in here, and then what I want to say is, I want to add these two numbers together. So we'll go equals, and I go that one plus that one. I'm clicking on that one, and then I press enter, then it equals 3. Now if I did something like, changing that around, if I made it a 4, then instantly my formula would change like that. So I'm just going to stop this video now, and then we're going to talk about some other cool things as well.